This video will show you how to manage client goals. First step is to get to a client. We're going to open up Julia's profile. We can do that from the calendar, or you can go to the Clients tab where I will open up Bill's new long name Bauman's profile. Now, the Goals tab is right here on the right hand side in the top. We're going to look at Bill's tab because Bill doesn't have any goals added to his profile yet. And you will see that there's nothing on this page. However, the first step is to just scroll down a little bit and we can see that there are actually two goals. We can add a goal type of short-term and long-term with a status of ongoing, a future goal, a discontinued goal, and if the goal has been met. You can then add any goal detail, what the baseline is, do you have an intervention technique, and any additional notes you may have. You can click the edit button at the right and edit any of those fields within the goal and cancel, as well as the ability to delete that goal. Now, a goal, the benefit of a goal is when you look at a note. So if I click edit note here, and we'll bring up another window. And here, when I load a SOAP note, you will see number of goals included. We're going to include 2 goals, where I can then select a goal and select a completion percentage. The completion percentage is how well that client performed towards their goal in this session. So I'm going to then select another goal and add that completion percentage. We can add additional progress that was made towards that goal. And once complete, drop down and click Update after you finish out the rest of your note. What this does is it will populate the information in this chart. So we're going to go back and look at Julia's tab. So here I can quickly see how this client has performed over the last calendar year, which you can see the calendar year is right now at the time of recording, December to today, or when that last goal was inputted. And here is the goals that have been completed and what's going on in this client's profile. I can see the goals listed down here. If I were to click, it will filter out some of those goals. We can select this hamburger icon to download this chart as a PNG or a different type of image file. The other thing we can do with goals is within a progress note. If I click edit note, the note template will open up. I can then scroll down and see a number of goals listed here. So if I selected none, there are no goals here. We can just input the overall summary to the goals, and then I can select up to 10. I will then first select a goal from here, and I can do that up to 10 times. The goal and baseline, these will populate automatically based upon what is in that client's goal bank, and we can then add the notes on how that client is progressing. As previously stated, goals can be added from the Goal tab, or we can also add goals from an evaluation. If I open up the general evaluation template, I can scroll down and the evaluation index will appear once the rest of the note is loaded. There it is. And if I select client goals, here is a form to begin filling out and adding in those goals for the client. The goals that are ongoing will automatically show within this table. Thank you.